You need to persevere so that when you have done the will of God, you will receive what He has promised. Hebrews chapter 10 verses 36. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I am so excited to have you here today because I'm going to show you this amazing recipe that I absolutely love making with my ripe plantain. It's no other than Kelewele. Now, Kelewele happens to be a term used for fried, spiced ripe plantain. Let me tell you, it is so popular in the streets of Ghana, especially during the evenings and the nighttime. It is mostly sold as snacks, but you can definitely use it as side dish. About the taste, it is absolutely delicious and very addictive. Today I'm going to show you one amazing way to make this right at the comfort of your home, and it's just the best way to. Let's get right into it. So the very few ingredients are as follows. Of course, you need some ripe plantain. Go for the extra soft one. And for the spices, I'm going to be using some red and white onions, some ginger, dried peppers, and some local spices. So here we have some cloves, some fennel seed, coriander seed, black peppercorns, and also I do have some all-purpose seasoning and vegetable seasoning. I also have a little bit of salt. I also have a little bit of all-purpose flour. I will tell you all about it, so please be sure to stay tuned. I also have oil to fry all this amazingness. Okay, stay tuned. So to begin with, go ahead and wash your plantain. Go ahead and peel off the skin. Once done, go ahead and cut it into your preferred size and shape. Honestly, you can do whichever way you want, but in the street there is this one way, or the authentic way you'll find your Kelewele. And please, I'm showing you this because I'm very used to cutting my plantains like this in my palm, but please go ahead and use your chopping board if you're not so used to this way. Okay, I do not want to see you hurt at all. That's the last wish on my list. Okay, I never want you to get yourself hurt while cooking your delicious meals. That's a no-no. Okay, so what you have to do is divide your plantain into 4 equal parts and then cut them into slices like this. All right, that is the way you will find your Kelewele. Normally you'll find it like this, but you can definitely choose to cut them into squares, triangles, any shapes that you prefer. All right, so continue to cut until you are done. You are done with all your beautiful and amazing plantain. They're absolutely gorgeous. I just love these babies so much. Just have a look. Just look how beautiful these look. They are also so amazing. This is the exact size I'm going for, and I was so pleased with it. So let's go ahead and join all our spices together. So I decided to use my mortar and pestle, but you can go ahead and use your blender. I prefer this way to use my mortar because I think the aromas are always still intact. All right, but you just go ahead and do you. All right. And ta-da! This is the texture I'm going for. It smells absolutely great. I'm going to use my blender, however, to blend my ginger and onions. All right, so once I'm done, I'll go ahead and pour it over my plantain and then go in with my all-purpose seasoning and the vegetable one, and go in with my all natural seasoning. So now you go ahead and give it a gentle massage and make sure that every plantain is coated in this lovely amazing spices. The aromas coming through, fam, is just mind-blowing. So now we are done, and I also went ahead to taste it, and I thought I needed a little bit of salt. I waited with the salt because I went in with some all-purpose seasoning, which also contained a little bit of salt. I'm always very careful with the amount of salt I use in my dishes. Okay, so please do well to do same. So I mix everything together and then go in with a little touch of all-purpose flour. The flour in here serves as a binder. It is going to help the spices to get attached to the plantain, just so that we don't lose it we don't lose all these amazing spices while frying. Okay, so now we're done. We're going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay. So now 30 minutes is here. You can also decide to fry it away. Honestly, it does not really matter. So long as you have a little bit of flour on top, it is fine. Okay, so we're going to put enough oil in our frying pot. Please make sure it's nice and warm and sprinkle a little bit of flour, about a tablespoon of flour, and begin with the frying process. So please take note, while frying your plantain, make sure you are dropping them in the oil very gently, and even when you're turning them, as you see me do, make sure you're turning them very gentle. Yes, you need lots of gentleness when you are frying your kelewele. So if gentleness is not applied, you're going to lose all the amazing spices on your plantain, and it is not what we are looking for. Okay, the aroma was amazing. Just look how beautiful this look. Gentle and turn until each and every side of the plantain is nicely fried. So as soon as your plantain gets this beautiful brown, caramelized, golden, amazing color, you know that it is done. So gentle again. Take them off your oil and you are ready. You are so ready. The kelewele is done. Found the amazing juiciness and deliciousness from this cannot be compared to anything else. It is so good. Go ahead and repeat until you're done frying all your amazing plantains. All right. And on your second batch, make sure you also sprinkle a lot more of your flour. All right, we are done. So beautiful. And yes, that was our happy dance. Absolutely delicious. And I always love and enjoy my kelewele. Oh, they are soft, juicy, and just so enjoyable. Let me tell you, they are so addictive. So please be careful. All right, so you can enjoy it with as snacks as you sprinkle a little bit of peanuts on top, and you're good to go, just like this. It is so easy. And of course, you can also use as side dish. I love it with some grilled tilapia. Oh my goodness, it is one of my favorite right now. It is so good. Go in with a bit of crunchy vegetables. You go choose any vegetables you like, and I promise you, you are going to enjoy this so much. All right, and let me tell you, kelewele can grace all your rice recipes. Talk about jollof, your wache, and one more. Just plain right with some stew. Everything goes well with kelewele. Kelewele, in my eyes, can never go wrong. You can do it with so many things. It is so delicious, and it's a no-fail recipe. And I hope you save this. Please do well to save this, because you're going to absolutely make the best kelewele you've ever done in your life. All right. And big question, have you tried some kelewele wraps? Oh boy, it is so good. Today I was making some beef shawarma, so I went in with some kelewele as well, and boy, was it good. It was so good. You can definitely omit the beef if you don't want, and add kelewele all by itself, and trust you're going to enjoy it to the fullest. I absolutely love this combo. It is so good and delicious. All right, so there you have it. There is a lot to do, a lot that you can do with your kelewele, so it's never wrong. Go ahead and try this recipe, because it is just worth it. Okay. And if you're looking for a great shawarma recipe I've already shared on this channel, I'm going to link it below and here as well, so please be sure to check it out. So I'm putting it on my grill pan for just a few minutes and we are done. So there you go, my loves, our beef and Kelewele shawarma is ready. And just check out the colors, and the perfection of the shawarma was out of this world, not to talk about the taste. It was so delicious. There's a few ways you can incorporate your Kelewele in your dishes. So fam, save this recipe for your next Kelewele adventure and you're going to absolutely enjoy it. You're going to devour this like nothing else. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and do not forget to give me your thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. This is the way we could grow into a much bigger community. Okay, I will also be looking forward to all your comment. I love reading from you, so please be sure to just type below and you will hear from me as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meals right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and please do not forget that always just know that you are always so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.